DJ Cross.
Matt, we're out here in winter.
It's cold.
It's freezing.
How cold is it? Like -5?
Well, look at all this snow.
Yeah.
Look at your car.
I know, full of snow. But check this out. Come. This guy here, he's got the AC on. Let's see if we can find him.
Let's go find them.
Hey, home.
They're not home?
Hey, door's open. Yo, man, you got the AC on, bro. He ain't home.
He ain't on them.
Froze to death.
Froze to death. Are we gonna turn on the AC in your van?
Yeah, damn right.
And that term is rolling down our windows while we drive. Out.
Forever with this brush. With DJ Cross, you got a better idea, bro?
I got a better idea.
Okay. What is it?
Oh, the other way.
Oh, this way, this way, this way. This way. Shovel the snow, bro.
You get all the snow out.
Hey, is that good for the paint job?
It actually, yeah, it cures the paint. But we put lines, we do designs. See?
Like, I like the stripe, racing stripes, right?
We got racing stripes.
I like racing stripes.
We want to save gas. So we get off all this weight.
That's the fast way.
That's the way you do it. Oh,
Sure.
And after a hard days of work, when you feel hot working clearing off snow, you turn your air conditioning on so you can cool yourself when you get indoors.